Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete comment on your Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you don't like what someone's write under your post, your photo or your video, and you want to delete that comment from your post, or maybe you want to delete your comments from someone's post, how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can choose post that you want to delete the comment. As example, I want to choose this post and I want to delete the comment from this post. As you can see, there is two comments on this photo and I want to delete it. You can choose one or you can choose tap. You can tap on the comment that you want to delete until there is a pop-up option appear on your screen like this. You can see there is an option delete. You can tap on that, tap on delete. So the comment will disappear from your comment section on your post. Or maybe you just write comment on someone's post and accidentally you want to delete the comment. You can also do the same thing, tap on the comment and tap on delete. So the comment will be removed from that post. So simple, right? Maybe for you who just newbie on Instagram and you don't know how to do it, you can follow this step by step. So that is how to delete comments on Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.